Are you tired of the constant battle against dust, pet hair, and debris scattered across your floors? The Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner is here to liberate you from the tedious manual cleaning chores. With a robust 3000p, a Cyclone cleaning system, and a suite of smart features, this robotic wonder is engineered to transform your cleaning experience. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore why the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner is not just a device, it's a game changer for your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unleash the Cyclone, 3000p, a cleaning power. The Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum is not your average cleaner. It's a Powerhouse fortified with a 3000p, a Cyclone cleaning system. This enhanced suction power increases cleaning efficiency by a staggering 30%, effortlessly tackling dust, pet hair, crumbs, and various debris on a variety of surfaces, including hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. Bid farewell to stubborn messes with a vacuum that means business. Smart control at your fingertips. App, voice, and remote. Take control of your cleaning needs with the Ropvacnic Smart App, offering personalized cleaning at your fingertips. Switch cleaning modes, monitor real-time status, and set scheduled cleanings seamlessly through your phone. Embrace hands-free cleaning with voice commands compatible with Alexa or Google Assistant. Whether you prefer the convenience of a mobile app or the simplicity of a remote, the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum gives you choices that suit your lifestyle. Precision in every corner, low-profile design, and dual rotating brushes. Measuring a mere 299 inches in height, the Ropvacnic robot effortlessly navigates and cleans under beds, furniture, and other hard-to-reach places. Equipped with rotating electric side brushes, it sweeps and collects hidden dust and hair from edges and corners that are often neglected. Your entire home receives a thorough and precise cleaning, leaving no corner untouched. Pet owner's paradise, no entanglement design and efficient pet hair collection. Designed with pet owners in mind, the Ropvacnic robot features an exclusive no-entanglement design that eliminates the hassle of cleaning tangled dog or cat hair from traditional roller brushes. The 3-point cleaning system and optimized 600 ml larger dust box efficiently collect pet hair throughout your house, providing a hassle-free solution for pet-related cleaning challenges. Scheduled cleaning and self-recharging. Effortless cleaning at your command. Set your cleaning schedule, and let the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum do the rest. It effortlessly navigates your home, avoiding obstacles, and returns to the charging station when the job is done. Enjoy a consistently clean home with zero effort on your part, making your daily routine more manageable. Conclusion. In a world where time is precious and cleanliness is paramount, the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum emerges as a beacon of efficiency and convenience. If you're ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine, embrace cutting-edge technology, and experience a home that stays impeccably clean effortlessly, the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum is your intelligent companion. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.